Hello, welcome to our virtual class. Again, this is your OLC, Mary Jane R. Laranang, in the subject Information Management. So our topic is about business intelligence. At the end of the discussion, you student will be able to understand what business intelligence is, give an example of business intelligence, discuss the benefits and limitations of using business intelligence, and discuss the trends in business intelligence. So business intelligence, or BI, is a set of processes, architectures, and technologies that convert our raw data into meaningful information that drives profitable business actions. It is a suite of software and services that transform data into actionable intelligence and knowledge. So BI has a direct impact on organizations' strategic, tactical, and operational business decisions. BI supports fact-based decision-making using historical data rather than assumptions and gut feeling. The BI tools perform data analysis and create reports, summaries, dashboards, maps, graphs, and charts to provide users with detailed intelligence about the nature of the business. So that is business intelligence. So why is BI, or business intelligence, important? So according to Stephen Bob, CTO of Teradata, a real-time enterprise without real-time business intelligence is a real fast, dumb organization. So why is BI important? First, measurement. So creating the KPI, or the key performance indicators based on historic data. It also identify and set benchmark for varied processes. So with BI systems, organization can identify market trends and spot business problems that needs to be addressed. So you can easily identify what product is in the market. Then BI helps on data visualization that enhances the data quality and thereby the quality of decision making. It can also be used not just by enterprises, but by smaller and medium enterprises. So that's the importance of the business intelligence. So how business intelligence systems are implemented? So first, raw data from corporate database is extracted. So the data could be spread across multiple systems, heterogeneous system. Then the data is cleaned and transformed into the data warehouse. So the table now can be linked and data cubes are formed. So using the BI system, the user can ask queries, request ad hoc reports, and conduct any other analysis. So we have here an examples of business intelligence used in practice. So we have the information and the business intelligence. So information using the online transaction processing, and then the other one is using the online analytical processing, or the OLAP. So the in an online transaction processing, or the OLTP, this one. So information that could be fed into product database could be add a product line. So we can add the product line, change the product price. So that's the thing we can feed in the OLTP. So correspondingly, in the business intelligence system query that would be executed for the product subject area could be did the addition of the new product line or change the product price increase revenues. Then in an advertising database of OLTP, so this is the advertising database. So query that can be executed, we have change in advertisement option. So we can change the advertisement option. And of course, we can also increase ratio budget. So that's going to the data warehouse. Then in BI system query that could be executed, would be how many new clients added due to change in the ratio budget. Then in OLTP again, it could deal with the customer demographic data that could be fed. We have the increased customer credit limit. So here we could increase the customer credit limit and also change customer salary level. So all of that can be done using the online transaction processing. While in the OLAP, so corresponding OLAP system query that could be executed would be the customer profile changes support higher productive price. So all of the information fed in the OLTP will go into the data warehouses. Then in the OLAP, we have change in revenue due to new product line and price. It also increase in customers due to radio budget increase, and also can customer profile changes support a high price product. Like what I've said, business intelligence can be used to add a product line, change a product price, change in advertisement options. It also increased the radio budget, increase customer credit limit, and change in customer salary level. Okay, so another example, a scenario, so a hotel owner uses a BI analytical applications to gather statistical information. So regarding the average occupancy and the room rate. So it helps to find aggregate revenue generated per room. So that can be used for analysis. So it also collects statistics on market share and data from customer surveys from each hotel to decide its competitive position in various markets. So the price would be competitive, or it would be okay for the customer. So by analyzing these trends year by year, month by month, and day by day, it helps management to offer discounts on room rental. So that's the application of the business intelligence. Okay. Another scenario, we have a bank gives branch managers access to BI applications. Then it helps the branch manager to determine who are the most profitable customers and which customers they should work on. So the use of BI here, BI tools frees information technology staff from the task of generating analytical reports for the department. So it also gives department personal access to a richer data source. So that's the use of the business intelligence system. So there are 4 types of BI users. So the first one is the professional data analyst. So the data analyst is a statistician who always need to drill deep down into data. So BI systems helps them to get fresh insights to develop unique business strategies. Okay, the second one is the IT users. So the IT users also plays a dominant role in maintaining the BI infrastructure. Then we have also the head of the company. So the head of the company, or the CEO or the CXO, can increase the profit of their business by improving operational efficiency in their business. Then we have the business users. So business intelligence users can be found from across the organization. So there are two, two mainly types of business users. We have the casual business intelligence user and the power user. The difference between the two, or the difference between both of them, is that the power user has the capability of working with complex data sets, while the casual user, it will make him use dashboards to evaluate predefined sets of data. So that's the difference of the casual and the power user. So let's proceed with the advantages of the business intelligence. Okay, the first one is to boost productivity. With a BI program, it is possible for businesses to create reports with a single click. That saves lots of time and resources. It also allows employees to be more productive on their tasks. Second is to improve visibility. So BI also helps to improve the visibility of these processes and make it possible to identify any areas which need attention. Then it fixes accountability. So BI systems assigns accountability in the organization, as there must be someone who should own accountability and ownership for the organization's performance against its set goals. Then it gives a bird's eye view. So BI system also helps organizations, decision makers get an overall bird's eye view through typical BI features like the dashboards and the scorecards. It streamlines a business processes. So BI takes out all the complexity associated with business processes. It also automates analytics by offering a predictive analysis, computer modeling, benchmarking, and other methodologies. And also it allows for easy analytics or easy analyzation. So BI software has democratized its usage, allowing even a non-technical or non-analyst users to collect and process data quickly. So this also allows putting the power of analytics from the hands of many people. So those are the advantages. How about the disadvantages? First one is the cost. So business intelligence can prove costly for small as well as for the medium-sized enterprises. So the use of such type of system may be expensive for routine business transactions. Then, second is complexity. So another drawback of BI is its complexity in implementation of data warehouse. It can be so complex that it can make business techniques rigid to deal with. Then, it has a limited use. So like all improved technologies, BI was first established keeping in consideration the buying competence of rich firms. Therefore, BI system is yet not affordable for many small, medium-sized companies. Then time-consuming implementation. So it takes almost 1.5 years for data warehousing systems to be completely implemented. Therefore, it's a time-consuming process. So those are the drawbacks or the disadvantages of using the business intelligence. So what are the trends in business intelligence? So artificial intelligence, so Gartner report indicates that AI and machine learning now take on complex tasks done by the human intelligence. So this capability is being leveraged to come up with real-time data analysis and dashboard reporting. The second is collaborative BI. So BI software combined with collaboration tools, including the social media and the other latest technologies just like Google Analytics, enhance the working and sharing by teams for collaborative decision making. And embedded BI. So embedded BI allows the integration of BI software or some of its features into another business applications for enhancing and extending its reporting functionality. Then another trend is the cloud analytics. So BI applications will be soon offered in the cloud and more businesses will be shifting to this technology. As per their predictions, within a couple of years, the spending on cloud-based analytics will grow 4.5 times faster. So those are the trends in business intelligence. We have the AI, the collaborative BI, embedded BI, and the cloud analytics. Okay, so in summary, BI is a set of processes, architectures, and technologies that convert raw data into meaningful information that drives profitable business actions. BI systems help businesses to identify market trends and spot business problems that need to be addressed. Then BI technology can be used by data analysts, by the IT people, business users, and head of the company. And BI system helps organization to improve visibility, productivity, and fix accountability. Then the drawbacks of BI is that it is time-consuming, costly, and very complex process.